In the ever-evolving landscape of tablets, two contenders, the Xiaomi Pad 6 and iPad 9, stand out as powerful options offering distinct features and capabilities. This comparison aims to dissect their specifications, design, performance, and unique attributes, helping users make informed decisions based on their preferences and needs. Design and build. The Xiaomi Pad 6 boasts a sleek and modern design, featuring dimensions of 254x 165.2x 6.5 mm and a weight of 490 g. Crafted with Gorilla Glass 3 on the front and an aluminum frame and back, the tablet emanates a premium feel. Its stylus support adds versatility, making it an attractive option for creative individuals. Xiaomi Pad 6 comes in three color options: black, blue, and gold. On the other hand, the iPad 9 maintains Apple's signature design language, with a choice of silver or space gray finishes. It measures 9.8 inches in height, 6.8 inches in width, and 0.29 inches in depth, weighing 1.07 pounds for the Wi-Fi model and 1.09 pounds for the Wi-Fi plus cellular variant. The iPad 9 follows Apple's aesthetic with a home button that incorporates Touch ID for secure and convenient unlocking. Display. The Xiaomi Pad 6 features a remarkable 11.0-inch IPS LCD display with an expansive resolution of 1800 x 2880 pixels. This high-resolution screen, combined with a 144 Hz refresh rate, sets the Xiaomi Pad 6 apart, offering users a visually immersive experience with smooth transitions and vibrant colors. The inclusion of HDR10 and Dolby Vision support enhances the tablet's dynamic range, making it particularly appealing for multimedia enthusiasts. With a screen-to-body ratio of approximately 83.6%, the Xiaomi Pad 6 provides users with an ample display area for work, entertainment, and creative activities. The iPad 9, on the other hand, boasts a slightly smaller 10.2-inch Retina display with a resolution of 2160 x 1620 pixels. While the iPad 9 maintains Apple's high standards for display quality, it falls behind the Xiaomi Pad 6 in terms of resolution and refresh rate. The Retina display offers True Tone technology, ensuring natural and accurate color reproduction. With a pixel density of 264 pixels per inch, the iPad 9 delivers sharp and detailed visuals suitable for various tasks. The Xiaomi Pad 6 outshines the iPad 9 with its higher resolution and a significantly faster 144 Hz refresh rate. This makes the Xiaomi Pad 6 more suitable for users who prioritize smooth animations, gaming, and multimedia consumption. The Xiaomi Pad 6's support for HDR10 and Dolby Vision adds an extra layer of visual sophistication, enhancing the tablet's ability to display a broader range of colors and contrasts. This feature can be especially appealing for users who enjoy high-quality video content. The Xiaomi Pad 6's larger 11.0-inch display provides a slightly more extensive canvas for users who prefer a larger screen for productivity or multimedia consumption. Both tablets feature IPS LCD technology, providing users with good viewing angles and color reproduction. Additionally, both displays are protected by durable glass, Gorilla Glass 3 for the Xiaomi Pad 6 and an oleophobic coated glass on the iPad 9, ensuring resistance to scratches and smudges. Performance. The Xiaomi Pad 6 is powered by the Qualcomm SM8250AC Snapdragon 875G chipset, featuring an octa-core CPU with a configuration of 1x3.2 GHz Cryo 585, 3x 2.42 GHz Cryo 585, and 4x 1.80 GHz Cryo 585. The graphics processing is handled by the Adreno 650 GPU. The tablet comes with various memory configurations, including 128 GB internal storage paired with either 6 GB or 8 GB of RAM, and a higher-tier option with 256 GB internal storage and 8 GB of RAM. The use of UFS 3.1 storage technology contributes to faster data access and app loading times. The iPad 9 is equipped with Apple's A13 Bionic chip, incorporating a neural engine for advanced machine learning and AI tasks. While Apple doesn't disclose specific RAM details, its optimization ensures efficient performance for various applications. The A13 Bionic chip features a hexa-core CPU with 2 high-performance cores and 4 high-efficiency cores, delivering a balance between power and energy efficiency. The GPU is designed to handle graphics-intensive tasks seamlessly. The Xiaomi Pad 6 features the Qualcomm Snapdragon 870, a powerful and efficient chipset known for delivering strong performance in the Android ecosystem. The iPad 9, with its A13 Bionic chip, represents Apple's custom-designed silicon, known for its optimization and performance in the iOS environment. Xiaomi Pad 6 provides users with flexibility in memory configurations, offering options with 6 GB or 8 GB of RAM. The iPad 9's RAM details are not specified by Apple, but its seamless integration with iOS often compensates for lower RAM amounts compared to some Android counterparts. Storage configurations for both tablets cater to varying user needs. Both tablets lack expandable storage options via a microSD card slot, meaning users will need to rely on the internal storage provided. Camera. The Xiaomi Pad 6 features a capable camera setup for a tablet. It comes with a single 13MP rear camera with an f2, 2 aperture and PDAF, phase detection autofocus. The inclusion of PDAF helps in faster and more accurate focusing. The rear camera supports features like dual LED flash, HDR, and panorama. It can record videos in 4K at 30 FPS or 1080p at 30/60 FPS. On the front, the Xiaomi Pad 6 sports an 8MP selfie camera with an f2, 2 aperture. This front camera is suitable for video calls, selfies, and other basic imaging needs. It can record videos in 1080p at 30 FPS. The iPad 9, equipped with a camera system suitable for various tasks, features an 8MP wide rear camera with an f2, 4 aperture. The camera supports digital zoom up to 5x, HDR for photos, and can record 1080p HD videos at 25 FPS and 30 FPS. It also offers 720p HD video recording at 30 FPS, time-lapse video, and video image stabilization. On the front, the iPad 9 is equipped with a 12MP ultra-wide camera with a 122-degree field of view and an f2, 4 aperture. This front camera supports HDR for photos, 1080p HD video recording at 25 FPS, 30 FPS, or 60 FPS, time-lapse video, and cinematic video stabilization. The Xiaomi Pad 6 offers a higher resolution for its rear camera, 13MP, compared to the iPad 9, 8MP. However, the iPad 9 compensates with additional features such as an ultra-wide front camera, which can be beneficial for capturing a broader perspective in photos and videos. Both tablets support 1080p video recording, but the Xiaomi Pad 6 additionally offers 4K video recording at 30 FPS. Both tablets lack advanced camera features commonly found in smartphones, such as multiple lenses or advanced imaging technologies. Tablet cameras, in general, are designed for convenience rather than professional photography. The Xiaomi Pad 6 and iPad 9 cater to different audiences, with the former excelling in display quality and camera features, and the latter benefiting from Apple's ecosystem and renowned optimization. Users looking for a feature-rich and visually impressive tablet might lean towards the Xiaomi Pad 6, while those seeking seamless integration with Apple products may find the iPad 9 to be the ideal choice. Ultimately, the decision hinges on individual preferences and brand loyalty. So, that's it for today's video. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this one. Thanks for watching.